Hi everyone. Coming to the next second Node.js session. So here we are going to learn how to install and set up the Node.js along with the first application, how to run the Hello World as well. We are going to learn here. So come here in this first one. Before going to the any uh, framework or else to set up for the any application, try to mention where you are going and install the separate software. So Node.js is a open source and class platform, so which is JavaScript environment. Try to download this 20 or else it's the latest feature are there, so try to download here. Most of the users are recommended this one. So after you are click on this, it's automatically download in your Windows machine. So come here in the next one. So after the downloading, you need to install the Node.js. So come and install the Node.js right now. Next, terms and condition. The next one is Node.js. Install the application like this way. Click on yes. So after the downloading or after downloading the Node.js, try to install the Node.js in your machine. Next step is, so if you see here, so after instead removing the backup files, here the files are here. Just so after completion of this one, then we can go to the next step is try to check the Node.js whether it is installed in your machine or else not. So node, click on node 20.11.0. Okay, 20.11.0. So try to open Visual Studio Code here. Visual Studio Code. So it's an open source code editor. So come here in the next need to create one file. Click on the new window. Try to click on the new window, then open any folder. Try to click on the any folder which you want. So downloads here, if you want to create this application in C drive, so users, it's a Shiva. So come here, I am creating one folder here, node. Okay, node. Node is destination already is there. So try to search node where it is. Okay, then it is there is no file here. Already file is created with the name of node. So I am opening the node.js folder in Visual Studio Code. So the first step is just remove this one. Remove this one. Yes, you just remove this one completely. Just do one thing. So some of the files are here, right? Try to this remove these files as because it's not required for us. Let's come here in this first index.js. So create one file with the name of index.js and write an console dot log hello world. Okay, save this file. Control J. So to open the terminal, we need to use the Control J. The next step is come here, just click on the node whether it is recognizing the libraries or not. Yes, it is recognizing right now. Try to open again. So try to open Control C. If you use this one, this automatically come to this directory. The next one use node index.js because to run and the one file you need to use like this way, hello world. If you use node index, it is also getting same output. This is how we can create the hello world application in node.js. Okay, thank you everyone. Hope you understand the complete setup, how to install and how to run the application of hello world in the node.js. Okay, thank you. Then we can see any new like how to default server, how to run the backend in the default server, how to create the server and everything, and few of the asynchronous methods, authentication methods we're going to learn in the next topics. Thank you everyone. Hope you are enjoy the video. If it is useful to you and your friends, try to share this link to your friends so they will be able to understand and to learn the concept in the better way. All the best.